In today's video, I'll show you how to switch your Payoneer two-step verification from SMS or email to Google Authenticator. This is a more secure way to protect your account, so let's get started. First, log in to your Payoneer account on the website. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu and click on Security Settings. Here, you'll see your current two-step verification method. Click on Change or Switch next to it, then select Google Authenticator as your new verification method. Payoneer will display a QR code on the screen. Next, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap Add Account, then scan the QR code displayed on Payoneer. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code on Payoneer to confirm and activate Google Authenticator for your account. And that's it! Your Payoneer account is now protected using Google Authenticator, giving you stronger security and peace of mind. Remember, keep a backup of your Google Authenticator codes in a safe place in case you change or lose your device. Thanks for watching, and stay secure with Payoneer.